anxious to go back to school?
Yeah, kinda.
What grade you gonna be in?
9th.
Wow. Yeah, I remember being in the 9th grade.
Oh, really?
We had a junior high school,
Oh.
and it was 7, 8, and 9.
7, 8, and 9.
And then you went to high school. High school was 10th grade.
Hmm.
Bradley,
Yeah.
let me know when you're done there.
Okay. Oops. Sorry.
Once again. Why she ever bought a clock like that, I don't know.
It really, it's no more than mine is at home.
Well, she was the only one that could set it. I mean, if I had JP here,
Oh, he'd 1, 2, 3. I know how that was. I know how that was. I know.
he said, well, you gotta, let's not get crazy with the fan, Julia.
No, he can't quite it.
Can't what?
He can't quite reach the blades. In my house, he can.